Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn fraction part 3. My previous video links I already put in the description box. My previous videos are about fraction lesson and 50 MCQ type questions. We already know that a fraction is a part of a whole. In the fraction, the part is called a numerator and the whole is called a denominator. Today we are going to learn different types of fraction and solving problems. First, like fraction. These two figures are equally divided into 12 parts. The first figure has equal 12 parts from which 9 parts shaded. So, the fraction of the shaded portion is 9 by 12. Here 9 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. The second figure also has equal 12 parts from which 8 parts shaded. So, the fraction of the shaded portion is 8 by 12. Here 8 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. Here both the denominators are equal. Then what is the like fraction? The denominators of the fractions are equal. Such fractions are called a like fraction. Examples 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Here denominators are equal. Next, unlike fraction. Here first figure has equal 6 parts from which 2 parts shaded. So the fraction of the shaded portion of the first figure is 2 by 6. Here 2 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. The second figure has equal 8 parts from which 3 parts shaded. So, the fraction of the shaded portion of the second figure is 3 by 8. Here 3 is the numerator and 8 is the denominator. Here both the denominators are not equal. Then what is unlike fraction? The denominators of the fractions are not equal. Such fractions are called unlike fraction. Examples 2 by 9 and 5 by 12. Here denominators are not equal. First, filling the blanks with two like fractions of the following series. A 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7. Here denominators are equal. Numerators are 1, 2, 3. Then next numerators are 4, 5. So we can write 4 by 7, 5 by 7. These are the next two like fraction. Question number B. 2 by 12, 4 by 12, 6 by 12. Here also denominators are the same. Numerators are even numbers. So next even number is 8. Then 8 by 12, 10 by 12, etc. Here all denominators are equal because this is a like fraction. Second one, write two like fraction with each of the following denominators. A 6. Then we have to make two like fraction. First one 2 by 6, 4 by 6. Here denominators are 6 as well as these are two like fraction. Then second one 1 by 6 and 3 by 6. These are also like fraction. Question number B. Denominator is 11. Then we have to make two like fractions. One 2 by 11 and 4 by 11. Second one 3 by 11 and 5 by 11. This is another like fraction because here all denominators are the same. Next, identify like fractions and unlike fractions in the following. The first question, 1 by 5, 4 by 5. Here, denominators are 5. They are equal. So, this fraction is a like fraction. Second one, 3 by 6, 2 by 6, 5 by 6. Here also denominators are equal. So, these are the like fractions. See 2 by 4, 3 by 5 and 4 by 6. Here denominators are not equal. So, these fractions are unlike fractions. Next, what is a proper fraction? The fractions in which numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Examples, 2 by 5, 4 by 10, 5 by 8. Here, numerators are lesser than the denominator. Second one, what is improper fraction? The fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Examples, 6 by 4, 5 by 3, 8 by 7, etc. Here, numerators are greater than denominator. Next, questions, circle the proper fractions. We know that in proper fraction, numerators are lesser than the denominator. So, first one is 4 by 5. Second, 9 by 10. Third, 5 by 9. These are the proper fraction. Next, circle the improper fractions. We know that in improper fraction, numerator is greater than the denominator. First one, 12 by 10. Second, 8 by 7. Third, 11 by 9. These are the improper fractions. Next, unit fraction. The fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. Examples, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. Here, numerator is 1. Next, mixed fraction. Mixed fractions are a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. Examples, 2 and 1 by 3. Here 2 is the whole number, 1 by 3 is the proper fraction. Next, circle the mixed fraction. We know that in mixed fraction there is a whole number and a proper fraction. First one is 3 and 4 by 6. Here 3 is the whole number, 4 by 6 is the proper fraction. Second, 2 and 12 by 16. Here 2 is the whole number, 12 by 16 is the proper fraction. Third, 1 and 6 by 10. Here 1 is whole number, 6 by 10 is the proper fraction. 4. Circle the unit fraction. We know that the fraction with numerator 1 is called a unit fraction. First answer is 1 by 2. Here 1 is the numerator. Second, 1 by 4. Third, 1 by 7. Here also 1 is the numerator. Next, change improper fraction into a mixed fraction. 129 by 7. This is an improper fraction. How we can change an improper fraction into a mixed fraction? First, divide the numerator by the denominator. If you watch my division video, it will be very helpful to you. Here, 29 is the dividend and 7 is the divisor. First digit of the dividend is 2, that is smaller than the divisor. So, we take 2 digits together, that is 29. How many 7 we can take from 29? 7 fours are 28. Then we can take 4. We write 4 in the place of quotient. After, write 28 below the 29 and subtract. Then we get 1, that is remainder. Here quotient is 4, remainder is 1. How we can write as mixed fraction? Write down the whole number, that is result or quotient. After, write the remainder as the new numerator over the denominator. The denominator will be the same. Answer is 4 and 1 by 7. Second question, 74 divided by 9. 74 by 9. This also we can use the same method. Dividend is 74, 9 is the divisor. First digit of the dividend is smaller than divisor. So, we take 2 digits together, that is 74. How many 9 we can take from 74? 9 8s are 72. Then we write 8 in the quotient and 72 below the 74 and subtract. Then we get 2, that is remainder. We can write as mixed fraction. First, write down the whole number, that is quotient, that is here 8. Then write the remainder as the new numerator over the denominator. The denominator will be the same. Then we will get 8 and 2 by 9. 8 is the whole number, 2 by 9 is the proper fraction. Next, change mixed fraction into an improper fraction. First question, 5 and 1 by 4. How can we change into an improper fraction? First, multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. Then add that answer to the numerator. That is 5 into 4. 5 is the whole number, 4 is the denominator, plus 1, that is numerator, by 4. The denominator again will be the same. Then 5 into 4, that is 20, plus 1 by 4. Then 20 plus 1, that is 21. 21 by 4, that is the improper fraction. Here denominator is the same. Second, 9 and 1 by 2. First, multiply the whole number by the denominator. Then add the answer to the numerator by 2. Here 9 is the whole number, 2 is the denominator and 1 is the numerator. Then 9 into 2, that is 18, plus 1, that is numerator, 18 plus 1 by 2. Again denominator will be the same. 18 plus 1 is equal to 19. Improper fraction is 19 by 2. Denominator will be the same. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.